Planet Earth, Views from Afar, 2 of 2. On the night of July 3, 2003, the Mars Express spacecraft was pointed backwards to obtain a view of the Earth-Moon system from a distance of 8 million kilometers while on its way to Mars. This picture of a crescent-shaped Earth and Moon, the first of its kind ever taken by a spacecraft, was recorded September 18, 1977, by NASA's Voyager 1 when it was 11.66 million kilometers from Earth. The Moon is at the top of the picture and beyond the Earth as viewed by Voyager 1. In the picture are Eastern Asia, the Western Pacific Ocean and part of the Arctic. This is the first photo of both worlds ever taken in a single frame. Usually, most photos of Earth and the Moon are cut and paste composites, since they are so far away from one another. As seen from Mars by Mars Global Surveyor Orbiter on May 8, 2003 at 1300 hours Greenwich Mean Time, Earth and the Moon appeared in the evening sky. The Mars Orbiter camera Earth-Moon image has been specially processed to allow both Earth and the much darker Moon to be visible together. The bright area at the top of the image of Earth is cloud cover over Central and Eastern North America. Below that, a darker area includes Central America and the Gulf of Mexico. The bright feature near the center right of the crescent Earth consists of clouds over northern South America. Globe diagram illustrates the Earth's orientation as viewed from Mars. North and South America were in view. Looking back from its orbit around Mercury, NASA's Mercury surface, space environment, geochemistry, and ranging spacecraft captured this view of Earth and the Moon on May 6, 2010. The spacecraft was 183 million kilometers from Earth at the time. This is the first image ever taken of Earth from the surface of a planet beyond the Moon. It was taken by the Mars Exploration Rover Spirit 1 hour before sunrise on the March 9, 2004. Earth is the tiny white dot in the center. In this shot, Earth is roughly 259 million kilometers away. This photo from NASA's Curiosity rover shows the Earth as seen from the surface of Mars, shining brighter than any star in the Martian night sky. Earth is the bright point of light a little left of the image's center and our Moon can be seen just below Earth. Researchers used the left-eye camera of Curiosity's mast camera to capture this scene about 80 minutes after sunset on January 31, 2014. The image has been processed to remove cosmic ray effects. A human observer with normal vision, if standing on Mars, could easily see Earth and the Moon as two distinct bright evening stars. When Curiosity took the photo, Earth was about 160 million kilometers from Mars. Interior to the G-ring and above the brighter main rings is the pale dot of Earth. Cassini spacecraft views its point of origin from over 1 billion kilometers away in the icy depths of the outer solar system. Earth is a barely visible speck beyond Saturn's rings in this September 15, 2006 photo. In the lower right of the mosaic, in between the bright blue E ring and the faint but defined G ring, is the pale blue dot of our planet, Earth. In this rare image taken on July 19, 2013, the wide-angle camera on NASA's Cassini spacecraft has captured Saturn's rings and our planet Earth and its Moon in the same frame. Earth, which is 898 million miles, 1.44 billion kilometers, away in this image, appears as a blue dot at center right. The Moon can be seen as a fainter protrusion off its right side. The other bright dots nearby are stars. The pale blue dot. Position and trajectory of Voyager 1 and the positions of the planets on February 14, 1990, the day when pale blue dot and family portrait were taken. The pale blue dot is a photograph of Earth taken February 14, 1990, by NASA's Voyager 1 at a distance of 3.7 billion miles, 6 billion kilometers, from the Sun. The picture shows Earth within a scattered ray of sunlight. Voyager 1 was so far away that, from its vantage point, Earth was just a point of light about a pixel in size.